All right, we are also learning that Defense Minister Rajnath Singh will attend the Victory Day parade in Russia. This will be held in Moscow's Red Square on the 9th of May, and this comes after the press secretary of the President of Russia informed that Prime Minister Modi would not attend the Victory Day parade. And as was certain, the Prime Minister, of course, busy with the developments at home. Pia Man, my colleague, is joining us on the broadcast to talk more about this. Pia, the Prime Minister was scheduled for this important event. In fact, it was an opportunity for him to also rub shoulders with his friend and ally Vladimir Putin. But the fact of the matter is, he's much needed at home.
Indeed, aptly put, Vineet, we are getting to know that Defense Minister Rajnath Singh will now be representing India at the Victory Day parade in Russia. Earlier, of course, Prime Minister Modi was supposed to go. That was the invitation that was extended by Russian President Vladimir Putin. And what's really interesting this time around is that on occasion of the Victory Day parade and the Victory Day in general, Putin had announced a ceasefire for 3 days. Between 8th to 11th May. So, of course, this was a grand spectacle which was supposed to be held in the Red Square in Moscow on the 9th of May. But, however, the press secretary of the President of Russia had earlier in the day informed that Prime Minister Modi would not be able to attend. We do know that tensions are simmering on the border as Pakistan continues to violate the ceasefire. Pakistan has, in fact, violated the ceasefire for the 6th straight day. So we are currently learning that the Defense Minister Rajnath Singh will be taking part in the Victory Day parade in Moscow. It's an annual military parade which is held by the Russian Armed Forces on the 9th of May every single year, much like how we hold our Republic Day celebrations. This is the most important parade. In fact, it is a commemoration of the capitulation of Nazi Germany to the Red Army, which had marked the end of the Eastern Front of the Second World War, which is popularly known in Russia as the Great Patriotic War. So, of course, it demonstrates their connection to the past and the present, and of course, it is not just a show of militarism, but also a celebration of the people over there.